Hey VARs, are you struggling to manage and grow your business? Well, that's because you may be trying to fit your VAR business into a generic e-commerce tool or an ERP solution. Buckle up as we show you how VARStreet can be the ultimate game changer. Our e-commerce platform redefines convenience with 7 million plus SKUs, free rich content, and 0 plugins headaches. Experience unique B2B VAR features such as login-based catalog, pricing and store homepage. Additionally, you get capabilities such as bundles and configurations, single backend for multiple stores, built-in punch-out and flexible pre- and post-payment options. Tired here? Well, don't worry. Our platform goes the extra mile by offering 0 catalog maintenance efforts, up-to-date product prices and inventory. Stay in the loop and save big with distributor promotions too. Discover more possibilities with VARStreet. With a bunch of features or functionality which give the power to do more, providing you best possible than any single solution out there. You get customer support that is easily accessible. Get your storefront up and running in a jiff. Trusted by over 5,000 VARs till date, VARStreet offer you so much more. It is your all-in-one business management platform. Contact us to learn more and get a demo of the platform.